Everyone wants to know how long it actually takes to make $5,000 per month as a TikTok Shop affiliate, and so I'm going to be 100% brutally honest with every single person watching this about the timeline, because I'm tired of seeing people quit right away before they would have made it. Just like the meme, you ever seen the guy where he's like digging for the diamonds and right before it actually goes through? That's what most people do, and it's a fact that genuinely only 3 to 5% of people will ever earn $10,000 plus per month across all of these platforms, right? So when I tell you that this is possible, I'm not saying that it's easy or that everyone will get there. I am not making absolutely any sort of income claims, and anybody who does, they are lying to you. But since May of 2024, I've consistently made anywhere from $10,000 to $39,000 per month as a TikTok Shop affiliate. That's myself personally. Ashley, I worked with her. She was stuck at around $2 to $3K per month before breaking through, and she did all the way upwards of $50,000 in a single month in 2025. Daleen, Tyreek, Danny, Clay, Maris, Moore are all hitting all these numbers consistently, 10K plus per month, right? So something is happening here, and it's not 100% luck. It's not just the law of large numbers. It's because they are following a playbook that's clearly helped them earn this amount consistently. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the actual realistic timeline from a complete beginner to your first consistent 5K month, what actually happens during each phase of that journey, and why some people actually get there faster while others stay stuck for 5, 6, 7, 8+ months, which is absolutely longer than necessary. So if you are new here, my name is Kade Wiley, and I help people build consistent 5-figure monthly income as affiliates on TikTok Shop. So if you are already a subscriber, welcome back, and let's get right into the video. The very first phase that a lot of people get stuck in is the $0 to $500 per month phase, and the mistake that a lot of people make is they're focused entirely on the outputs. But the problem is when you're doing anywhere from $0 to $500 per month, being completely transparent, every single thing that you are doing is just about wrong. In terms of the products that you're promoting, the videos that you are making, you're focused entirely on the wrong things. Now, the problem is most people think to get out of this phase, to get out of this step, is that they have to be focused on the amount of money that you're making. Now, the problem is when you're at $0 to $500 per month, you have to be focused on the input. Your only goal, your only expectation should be to make the absolute best videos possible and constantly improving and focusing on the input rather than the output. And not only that, most people, they're like, okay, well, let me improve this specific part of my video. You watch a YouTube video, you'll watch something else, and you'll make 3 or 4 videos and just be like, oh, the sales aren't coming in, it doesn't work. But what you don't realize is things take time, especially with TikTok Shop in general. It takes a bit to get the videos up, to start to get traction on those specific videos, to actually become better at what you are trying to improve. For some people, whether that's tonality, some people, whether that's testing a product, right? Everything that you're doing is wrong, so you have to focus on actually getting better with that specific part. And I've seen this so many times with people that I work with. Like, we'll have our first call, they're like, oh, I made the changes that you implemented and I haven't gotten any sales. Okay, well, how many videos have you posted, since that call, whatever that may be? They're like, oh, well, I posted 5 videos. Okay, do you expect to be an expert at anything after only trying to make changes for 1 or 2 days? No, well, of course not. So you need to focus on working on the inputs and just getting better as a whole. And again, the $0 to $500 per month affiliate, everything that you're doing is wrong. So instead, you should be focused on making small improvements. So maybe one day you get $0 in sales. Okay, that's fine. Are your views going up? Is your average watch time going up? Or all these different metrics that you should be looking at, are they actually increasing? Are your videos getting objectively better? Are you getting good ideas? Are you focused on picking better products, right? Instead of trying to fix everything at once, which is the mistake that a lot of people do in that $0 to $500 per month range, instead focus on getting better at one specific part. And then once you master that, get better at that other specific part, whether that's hooks, whether that's your tonality, whether that's picking better products in general. All those things, they can't be fixed at once. Because what so many people don't understand is, you're doing $0 to $500 per month and you're like, okay, well, let me just do more. No, you do not need more. In fact, you need to do the opposite, and you need to do less. Because what so many people don't understand is you can get to $5,000 in a month off of one video. So instead of you trying to focus on posting 5, 10 videos in a day and putting up some slop just for the sake of that it feels good, it feels like you're doing work. This is not a normal job. You don't get paid to just put something up and hope that it actually works. And instead, you are getting paid for the actual results that you drive. So if you are in this range, the number 1 recommendation is to actually take a step back, do less, think more, and actually analyze. Because when you're in the $0 to $500 per month range, your content doesn't look like it's native to TikTok as a platform. But you're promoting random products that have maybe 0 sales, few sales, 100,000 plus, or you're just making a video and you're picking up and you're not thinking as to, hey, how should I actually structure my videos? You're just picking up a product, you're making random samples, and you're focusing entirely on the wrong things. Focus on quality, then quantity, and that's the number 1 thing that I see from the $0 to $500 per month range. The next bracket that a lot of TikTok Shop affiliates are in is in the $500 to maybe $3,000 per month range. Now, again, the difference between the $0 to $500 per month, again, this is all commission, this is not GMV. Nobody cares about GMV. It's a vanity metric. All we care about is commission, cash in the bank. So if you are doing anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per month, This is the same level as 0 to 500, except you probably are doing 1 or 2 more things that are actually correct. So again, the difference between $0 to $500 per month and $500 to $3,000 per month is really not that different. You just had 1 or 2 things go right, and that's allowed you to do that amount of money. And I'll give you a real example here. Ashley, I've talked about her. You've seen a video with her. But when I started working with her, she was kind of in this boat where she was doing 500 to 3K per month. And so she was posting 20 videos a day. So yes, she was doing some things right. Her videos weren't that bad. The problem is she was putting herself in the wrong positions. So again, you have to understand what you are doing in this 500 to 3K per month is somewhat working. But the biggest mistake that I see is the people who are trying to break past the next upper echelons is they are focusing entirely on the wrong things. The biggest idea that I want you to get in your head is what got you here won't get you there. So what got you to $2,000 per month, what got you to $3,000 per month is not the same thing that's going to get you to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month. So again, in this range, if you're trying to get to the 500 to 3K per month range or even past that, you are doing something right. Again, it's still a game of quality, not quantity, because I and many of my students that I've worked with, we have done $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, even $10,000 on a single video in a single month. So you, by focusing on trying to just do more, post more without any sort of rhyme or reason, again, this is the time to be strategic and not necessarily just do more. So focus on getting better watch time, better percent that watch the full video, better products. And again, I talk in a lot of my other videos about what do different products mean, but you have to be focusing on getting products that can make you the $5, $10, $20, $30,000 in a single month. And that is the name of the game. So again, instead, when you have something that's working, when you're in this range, you need to analyze it and double down on it and figure out, okay, why did this work? That's the number one question you have to be asking yourself, especially when you're sub 5K per month. You have to ask yourself, okay, why did this work? And more importantly, how do I double, triple down on that to get to the next level, upwards of $3,000 plus per month? Now, the next level on TikTok Shop, again, I would argue is more of the same. You are just getting better at it. So the next range is realistically anywhere from about $5,000 to $10,000 to $12,000 per month, right? So again, it's the same things that got you to 2 to 5K per month that is going to get you anywhere from 5 to 15K per month. But the biggest difference is, again, everything has to be taken up a notch. So instead of you getting 1, 2, 3 viral videos, you now have to up that into 4, 5, 6 plus viral videos per month. So again, you're not necessarily doing anything different. You still should be focusing on picking better products, making better videos, improving your hooks, doing iterations of what's already worked. The mistake that I see a lot of people make in this range of, $5 to $10,000 to $12,000 per month is you try to do something entirely different than what got you to 3 to 5K per month. You should be doing the same things, but now you can actually start to focus more on quantity, right? So again, this is where it gets into multi-account scaling, and now you should be scaling multiple accounts. If you're trying to do all of it on one account, in my opinion, that's not the best way to go about things. You can make more money by still doing the same amount of work, but you're being more strategic by spreading yourself horizontally. Now you're able to scale on multiple of these accounts. Because if you break it down, $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, let's go with the example of $10,000 per month. $10,000 per month is roughly basically $333 per day. That is really not that difficult. And if you're watching this, be like, oh, it's easy for you to say, blah, 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 whatever excuses you want to tell yourself. But again, it's about breaking it down into simpler numbers. Okay, what do I have to do to make $333 per day? And I'll give you a real example of this. I did a case study interview with one of my students, Trevor, earlier in 2025. And the funniest part is he got to an $8,000 month off of essentially 2 videos, right? So, and that just goes to prove, because before he started working with me, he did basically nothing per month. And as a result, in a 1 to 2 month time frame, we turned all that around because he focused on quality, and then he started doubling down on what was actually working time and time again. Because the video, he made basically $2,000 on most of his money that he made came from 2 specific videos, and we started focusing on strategic improvements as opposed to being all over the place, promoting random videos, promoting random products. That is not the way to get to $5,000 to $15,000 per month on TikTok Shop. So again, to summarize, the difference between 2 to 5K per month and 5 to 15K plus per month is not more. It's not a crazy amount of time. It's just being more strategic with the products that you're promoting, again, one product only, as well as actually making sure you're doubling down and tripling down on what's working. Because again, so many people think that, oh, once you do this, you have to change everything, you have to do all these different strategies. Not necessarily. You just have to get better. That's the difference between the top 1% and the top 0.1% on TikTok Shop. We are substantially better at the small, minute things, and as you get to these upper levels, the difference in terms of video between 5K per month and 10K per month versus 20 to 30K per month is probably a 0.1% difference that you can't even tell if you're not paying attention or if you don't know what you're doing. But those small little minute details, that's all the difference between getting to these next levels. Now, I want to be completely honest with every single person watching this about something. The timeline that I've been laying out in this video, it is realistic if you are doing everything correctly and if you are following a proven system that is known to work and has been replicated dozens and dozens of times. But the problem is most people trying to figure this out alone, they take 6+ months, 12+ months, to hit consistent 5K months, if they even get there in the first place. And it's not because they're not smart. It's not because they're not hardworking. It's because they are making mistakes that they don't even realize that they're making it. So that's exactly why I created this 6-month mentorship program for serious people who want to get serious results and actually want to follow a proven path instead of just wandering in the dark, hoping and praying that something works. So what we do weekly coaching calls where I'll personally review your content, your product choices, your data, everything that you need to be looking at and that you should be looking at. And so the reality is most of my students that take action hit their stride by month 3 of working together because they're not wasting time on approaches that were never going to work in the first place. So we have an active community, which I know is a cliche word at this point, where people are posting wins every single day. And so genuinely, this is only for people that are interested in treating this like a real business. If you aren't even sure if you can stay consistent, post consistently, this is not for you. If you do want to discuss your specific situation and see if working together even makes sense, the link is in the description. But anyways, back to the timeline to get to 5K plus per month on TikTok Shop. Now, what starts to happen when you're doing anywhere from 5 to 12K per month? Well, you should be getting pretty good at TikTok Shop for the most part. Once you hit that 5 to 12K per month range, it is really hard to break below that. Like myself, again, I talk about this a lot. I haven't personally dropped below 10K per month as an individual affiliate. Many of my students that I work with, like once you hit that 10K level, it becomes very difficult to drop below that because you understand things at a really high level. You know what it takes to get to 10K. And at that point, it's just kind of rinse and repeat and doing the same things over and over again. It almost gets really redundant, really boring because you're like, hey, I just know what needs done. I just have to actually do it. But now the difference between getting from 5 to 15K per month and 15 to 30K per month, now it's a combination of two different things. The very first thing that you have to do is one, you have to be almost perfect at a lot of these different things. Again, it becomes a game of how do you actually expand, because the biggest limiting factor as you start to get bigger on TikTok Shop and if you want to hit these 20, 30, 40K months is not just the things that you're doing, but it's your mental energy and your mental capacity. Because the problem is you can only do so much more in a day. You can only post so many more videos to so many people. They think, again, the strategy to get from 10K per month to 40K plus per month is just doing more and posting more. It's actually the opposite. It's being very purposeful with what you are doing. And again, everything that you're doing starts to really compound. So if you are not on the absolute best products that you can find, if you are not making the best videos for that specific product, if you are not constantly improving and doing iterations and doing variations of the videos that did go viral, doubling down, tripling down, quadrupling down, 5xing down, I don't even know what the word for that is, but going all in on what has been working, but in a combination of you're also expanding on new concepts with the videos that did get you to 5 to 15K plus per month. So it's a combination of getting from 5 to 15 as opposed to 15 to 40K plus per month is a combination of quality and also quantity at the same time. You have to actually implement both because you can't post 3 videos a day and expect to get to 20, 30, 40K a month, but you also shouldn't be expecting to post 40 videos and just brute force your way to 30, 40K a month. It's just realistically not going to happen, especially as TikTok Shop starts to evolve and strategy and picking products and being very purposeful with your words so that way you can get ad spend. That's what's going to create scale on TikTok Shop. And my biggest recommendation to every single person is analyze where specifically you are. Now, again, the name of the game is how do you compress these different timelines so that way you can get to the next level as quickly as possible. Like I constantly tell people, every single person that I work with and have this conversation with, it's again, how do we compress this timeline to get you to the next level? Because again, so many people, you're focused on the wrong things to get you to the next level. You should be focusing on, again, it's quality in the beginning, then it becomes a game of quantity, right? So again, it's about compounding and stacking all these different advantages in your favor of picking the best products, making the best videos, and doing everything that you can to get to these different levels, but also understanding at the same time what got you here won't get you there, and understanding that you have to make changes to what you are doing to get to these different levels on TikTok Shop. So if you are strategic, if you're consistent and you're learning from the right sources, it is entirely possible for you to hit the 5K number in 30 to 60 days. I've seen it happen many, many times. I've had a student, he hit 5K his first month ever on the platform. So it is possible to do way more as an affiliate as well. But if you're just randomly doing things, posting inconsistently and trying to figure everything out yourself, especially doing the hope and pray method, you could easily just be stuck for 6+ months. And I talk to people every single day that haven't made dollars for months on end, right? So you have two paths moving forward watching this video. You can take everything that I shared and you can try to execute it alone. Some people, they will figure it out. I've actually gotten messages from people that have, figured it out over a couple of month time frame, a year plus, right? But if you're spending months making mistakes you don't even know that you're making, and to be honest, do you really see yourself sticking to this without help? Most people unfortunately won't, right? So the ironic part is life has a tendency to get in the way, even if you have the best intentions starting out, right? So the second path is that you can work directly with me in my 6-month program, where I personally guide every single person through the exact system that my successful students follow. The thing that I'm proud of, every single person that you see me posting on this channel, they are following the strategy to a T. We do weekly coaching calls. I'm reviewing your content, reviewing your strategy. Most students hit their stride by month 3 at the latest because they're not wasting time on trial and error. So if you are serious about actually compressing your timeline and you want to get help answering some of these questions that you've never been able to answer yourself about how all this works, click the first link in the description to book a call with us. So, and if you do want more info on the whole system, watch this free course that I made covering everything from A to Z. I don't hold anything back. It's probably the most valuable TikTok shop video you can possibly watch.